Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable USB debugging on your OPPO A6x 4G smartphone. First of all, open Settings on your device, and after that, scroll down to the bottom of this menu, open About Device section, and now we're gonna have to scroll down to Version menu, open the Version menu, and then tap 7 times on the version number to unlock developer options. Enter your password if you're prompted to, and then you'll see you are now a developer notification at the bottom of your screen. After that, you have to return back to Settings, then go to System and Update Settings, and open Developer Options menu here. And now here we're gonna have to find and enable USB debugging. It's right here in the debugging category. So here we have USB debugging. To enable it, just switch this toggle to the right, then tap OK. Beneath, we can also select debugging application if you have some such. And that's basically it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.